Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Messenger Rooms on Instagram. Facebook together with Instagram introduced a new chat feature called Messenger Rooms. It allows you to create a video chat that you can share with other users by sending them a link. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Before you start applying Messenger Rooms feature, you need to make sure that your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook. So go to your Instagram profile page, click on the three lines icon in the upper right corner, tap the settings icon. Once the settings window opens, hit the account section, find the linked accounts option, tap to open it, and check whether your Instagram profile is connected with your Facebook account. If these two your profile pages are linked, then go to Instagram Home tab, press on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once the window with conversations opens, tap the video call icon in the upper right corner. After that, hit create a room at the top and log in with your Facebook information if it is required. After that, click on the Create Room as your Facebook name button. Now it is time to send invitations to join the room to people. There are two options how you can invite people. Firstly, you can type in the Instagram username of a person you want to invite to join a room in the search bar, or you may simply scroll down and hit the send button next to that person's name. Tap Done and hit Join Room. Select the OK option and you will be moved to the Messenger app. Wait while other user will join the room. When another user joins, you will be able to have a video chat. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Messenger Rooms on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.